prepared a well-planned counter against Manny Pacquiao's counter power punches.
Alam mo, partner, sa tingin ko, ang style na ginagawa dito ni Barrera is a survival style.
But why does that one?
He's not aggressive. Kumakounter siya just to be able to survive para hindi masyadong makakatake.
I agree with you, Pinito. But that's not his backfiring because sa kanilang pagkatras, hindi siya tumatama kay Manny.
Exactly.
Ang ating Motonite pang mataga ng round number 10.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, kulang sa opensa si Barrera.
Ano yun eh? Ang tawag parang maitawid lang yun.
He's countering to survive.
But Manny Pacquiao, of course, always in the attack mode.
And again, nag-attack back si Barrera, no? Gusto lang matapos eh. Yun lang. Pero hindi siya manakaw.
But of course, Manny Pacquiao would want to end this one and put at least a period. Oh, wow, what connection ni Manny Pacquiao. Nakuha sa mukha ni Manny Pacquiao. It hardly affected Manny Pacquiao kasi umaabante pa rin. Manny Pacquiao not able to get his rhythm against the backtracking Marco Antonio Barrera.
Again, ito yung survival tactics ni Barrera. He's backtracking, he's staying away, he's not engaging.
And sa side to side.
Side to side lang ako eh.
Hindi ko maintindihan sapagkat kung maaga pa sana sabihin natin pinapagod si Manny. But there are only 6 minutes left. And so I agree with you, Benito. He's just trying to survive this fight, preserve his reputation as one of the best.
Para hindi siya manakaw dito ni Manny
In the sport. Good combination by Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao 40, hindi pa siya nakaka-atras. Lumipad si Manny Pacquiao.
ito nakakabalik. Pero partner yung mga suntok ni Barrera is sports eh. At saka sports.
Saka hindi iniinda. Yung nakuha siya.
Walang continuity because natatakot siya. After he connects with some punches, papalikan siya ni Manny eh. Na hindi niya masustain yung kanyang atake.